And I'm Marvin Bartlett. Volunteers continue to pour into North Carolina and East Tennessee to help in communities devastated by Hurricane Helene.
One church on the edge of Pulaski County felt a call to help after experiencing firsthand the effects of a natural disaster. Hannah Jackson has the details in our top story at 6:30.
I mean, flood devastation is just so different than tornado devastation. Like we experienced that 2 years ago, is that um, flood kind of has no mercy. Like it just annihilates things from foundation.
2 years ago, Clay Hurd was lead pastor at Licking River Baptist Church in Eastern Kentucky, experiencing the 2022 Eastern Kentucky floods firsthand. Saying after the floods, their community was devastated, and on one random day, the church had a visitor, a pastor out of Hendersonville, North Carolina.
He was a friend of a friend, and he had brought us, all of this supplies, water, shovels, brooms, mops, everything that we kind of needed at that point. And so Colin and I stayed in touch. We became friends. And when this kind of happened, he posted on his Facebook a picture of the water coming up on his house. And he's like, oh, yeah, and the rain just started, and that was like the last thing he posted for days.
Hurd is now the lead pastor at Eubank Baptist Church in Pulaski County and said his congregation had a desire to help, but weren't sure where it was going to be.
Hendersonville just became the place. It was obvious God was orchestrating that we needed to go. And so he just lined all that up. And I never imagined that it would work out that way, but it was just overwhelming, just kind of how everything happened.
Hurd, along with members of the church, have already taken trips down to Hendersonville, saying the damage left behind by the floods are causing many residents to start over.
In the midst of the hardest hardships, there is still hope. We saw so many people that their entire livelihoods were just gone. And, we were able to minister, and, we believe God is still good despite all of the devastation, despite all of that. And it's hard to see that in those moments.
Eubank Baptist Church will continue taking donations down to Hendersonville as long as there's a need. In Pulaski County, Hannah Jackson, Fox 56 News.